Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best microSD 256GB Uhs-III memory card on the market. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSDXC Uhs-III with adapter. Model SDSQ XAV256GGN6MA. If you're someone who needs speed, reliability, and capacity for 4K and even 5K footage, apps, or gaming, this is the card that delivers. Let's start with what makes this card stand out: performance. SanDisk has equipped this microSD with quick flow technology, enabling it to reach read speeds of up to 190 megabytes per second, a massive advantage when transferring large media files quickly. That's faster than standard Uhs-III cards, making it ideal for content creators, drone pilots, or anyone working with large video or photo files. When it comes to write speeds, it clocks in at up to 130 megabytes per second, which is perfect for continuous burst shooting or high-resolution video recording. You'll never miss a moment or suffer from lag when recording Ultra HD footage. Whether you're filming on a GoPro, drone, DSLR, or even a smartphone, this card can handle it with ease. Now let's talk video capabilities. The card is rated U3 and V30, which means it supports sustained write speeds of at least 30 megabytes per second. This ensures smooth 4K and even 5K UHD video recording without any frame drops or glitches. It's built for real-time capture, so your footage stays pristine from lens to storage. The A2 rating is another feature worth highlighting. With 4000 IOPS read and 2000 IOPS write speeds, app performance is incredibly fast. If you're using this card in an Android device, your apps will load and run quicker compared to regular microSD cards. That's especially useful for mobile gamers and professionals who rely on responsive applications. This SanDisk card is also built tough. It's temperature-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, and X-ray-proof, so you can rely on it in extreme environments, from freezing mountains to scorching deserts. Wherever you go, your data stays protected. Compatibility is broad. It works with microSDXC and microSDXC Uhs-III devices and comes with a full-size SD adapter. So whether you're using it in a camera, tablet, Nintendo Switch, or even a professional reader like the SanDisk Pro Reader, you're covered. From speed to durability, it's built for professionals and everyday users alike. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to review another product. See you in the next video.